how to fix Cash App can't link the card at this time. So I'm going to explain 3 fixes that you can try. So for the first one, as simple as it sounds, just make sure your app is up to date. Now, many people have reported not being able to link their card because their app update was never pushed to them. So just make sure that your app is completely up to date from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now, if it still doesn't work for you, what you can do is manually add your bank. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on my profile icon in the top right corner. Then we'll go to linked banks here, and instead of trying to link a debit card, we'll just click on link debit card here. But instead of trying to fill out our card number here and all of the other info, we'll select no card. And then what we're going to do is actually click on continue here, and it will show us a list of our banks. So for example, let's say we are a member of Wells Fargo. We'll click on it, and then we will just log in into our account here, our Wells Fargo account. Then we can manually link our bank account, and that's going to link our card with it accordingly. Now, if that still doesn't work, the last thing that you can try doing is accessing Cash App on the web. So for example, you can use a PC or a laptop, just log into Cash App with your account, and then you can try linking your account that way. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.